Today we're taking a walking tour of New York City's Central Park to explore many of the park's most iconic highlights. Central Park is a truly remarkable oasis in Manhattan, the most densely populated borough in the United States. The foresight of the New Yorkers who set aside more than 840 acres for this park during the 1850s was extraordinary. Creating a park of this size in the heart of Manhattan would be virtually impossible today. The vision was to create a grand public park inspired by the famous parks of London and Paris. Designed by landscape architect Frederick Olmsted and architect Calvert, Vaux, Central Park offers a glimpse of what Manhattan looked like before the city was fully developed. Today, it remains a peaceful retreat where visitors can unwind among expansive lawns, forests, gardens, lakes, and scenic pathways. There are several ways to experience Central Park, including horse-drawn carriage, bicycle, scooter, or pedicab. But in our opinion, the best way to appreciate the park is on foot. The park features 58 miles of pedestrian paths and trails waiting to be explored. People from around the world come here to experience one of New York City's greatest treasures. A great place to begin your visit is the Dairy Visitor Center, where you can pick up maps and information. The Central Park Conservancy website and mobile app are also excellent planning resources. There is simply too much to see in a single day, so it's a good idea to make a list of your must-see attractions and plan a route. Here we are at the beautiful Shakespeare Garden and the charming Swedish Cottage. Throughout the park, you'll find stunning landscaping, colorful gardens, and magnificent trees. There's even a castle to explore. Several picturesque lakes and ponds are scattered throughout the park, providing beautiful scenery and opportunities for boating and wildlife viewing. You'll also discover charming bridges, pavilions, and peaceful places to enjoy a picnic or simply relax. Central Park is one of North America's premier urban birding destinations. Several birds have achieved celebrity status over the years, including the famous mandarin duck and flaco, the Eurasian eagle owl that escaped from the Central Park Zoo and captured the hearts of New Yorkers. You may also encounter squirrels, turtles, raccoons, and many other species of wildlife. The park offers several iconic dining locations where you can enjoy a meal or a snack. Entertainment is always happening here, with concerts, performances, festivals, and special events taking place throughout the year. For younger visitors, there are numerous playgrounds, along with the historic Central Park Carousel. Central Park is also home to 141 statues and monuments. Here you'll find the tribute to John Lennon at Strawberry Fields, the peaceful memorial located across the street from the Dakota, where he lived. The park is also home to the beautiful Central Park Zoo, where visitors can get up close to animals from around the world.
Good. How about it?
Sports enthusiasts will find numerous recreational facilities, including ball fields, tennis courts, and the historic chess and checkers house. Bordering the park are two of New York City's world-renowned cultural institutions, the Metropolitan Museum of Art and the American Museum of Natural History. This completes our tour of Central Park. Thanks for watching.